welcome back to another video. My FabFitFun box just got here, guys. So let's go ahead and dive into it. I really was so excited because I was like, it's summertime. This has to be like, they're all going all out box, and no. So I just remember that, and I remember just picking it just because it was the better option. Even my husband was disappointed, so yeah, that totally sucks. So let's go ahead and get into what I got. Alright guys, so let's see what I got. So I am opening the box right away. It has the brands that you're actually getting, which is really cool. I've never noticed this before. So it literally says like deals and stuff like that. That's really cute. I've never noticed that before, to be honest. So let's go ahead and see. You can see the first thing I got. I remember this now. So my husband really sucks at drinking water sometimes. Sometimes he drinks so much and then sometimes he forgets. And I've had liquid IV before. I had samples of it before. So when I saw that it was on there, I definitely was like, let me get it. I asked my husband what flavor. He said lemon, and it comes with 16. So I believe that this is literally one of the things that I was actually excited for. And it's not even technically for me. I picked it for my husband. But yeah, which I probably drink too. I wonder if my daughter can actually drink that. I should ask Patricia. Comes with this you can kind of, I hate those things. I don't even know what they're called. They make a mess everywhere. All right, so it comes with a little HelloFresh coupon, which I might actually use because I haven't been getting HelloFresh. All right, so I don't even know where to start. All right, so one of the first things I got was the Briogeo Superfoods Avocado plus Kiwi Mega Moisture 3-in-1 leave-in spray. I actually believe I did pick this one like excitedly because this hair is actually naturally curly and it's becoming a hot mess. Ever since I had my daughter, it's super dry. So it says no harsh sulfates, no silicones, no parabens. It detangles, conditions, and UV protect. So I am excited for this. I did want to smell it. A lot of people said it didn't smell too great. Let's see. Oh no, that smells amazing. That smells like summer. A summer vacation that I'm not having this year. So I got that one. All right, so the next thing that's in here, it is a L-Space. Oh, it's a vibrating massage ball. And I got this because my back has been really hurting me. So, oh my God, it comes with the batteries. Girl, when things come with the battery, it makes me so happy. Gotta make sure my daughter doesn't get a hold of this and think it's like a toy. So let's go ahead and open that. Oh, it's not even like a hard thing to put on. Let's go ahead and put batteries in this guy. Guys, I have no idea how to twist it. I've been twisting this back and forth to try to open this thing to put the batteries in, but I can't figure it out. So to be continued with my massage ball. And then in here is a wine voucher for $100. I know that in this selection, I did not want to pick a mascara. I mean, you do switch your mascaras every 3 months. You should be switching your mascaras every 3 months. But this is the Milk Mascara Raise Mascara Lift, Length, and Volume. I mean, I do love Milk Cosmetics. I just really didn't want to pick a mascara. But this was the only option that I picked. But the mascara does look very good, and it's like that little that little nice and helpful round, and they are vegan and like cruelty free, so that's a good one. I did pick this one out as well, again, because I didn't know what else to pick. And it's a rechargeable shaver razor, which I thought was actually really cool. I normally do wax my legs, but it's nice to have something for the quicksies to hurry up and just get it done. And then I got this Kate Spade. Oh, pitcher and 2 cup set. I do remember picking this one for summertime. Okay, it's actually a really cute size. I thought it was going to be like ginormous. So it is out. The cups are cute. Cuties. I do love stuff like this. My husband doesn't, but I do. So it comes with the 2 cups and this really cute like lemonade pitcher. So that's cute. That's basically everything I got. I'm really excited for this if I could get it to get open. So let's go ahead and just open the razor since I didn't open that. So you have to charge it obviously, but it is a really cute razor. So I'm kind of excited to try that out. Oh, turn that. So yeah, I'm excited about that because you don't even have to use water, I believe, to charge. I mean, you don't even have to use like you don't even have to do it in the shower. You could do it dry. So that's kind of awesome. So yeah, I'm kind of excited about that. Let me take back my. Let me eat my own words. I am excited for everything I got. I just wish there were different options, if that makes sense. I had higher hopes, and options kind of let me down a little bit. But I am excited for everything that I did get to try it out and see how it goes. And let me go fight with this for a little bit longer, and hopefully I can get it to work. Guys, it took me and my mom fighting with this for like 30 minutes, and we got it to work. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I appreciate every comment, every like, and every single subscriber. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.